Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, real talk with a realtor. I'm Cherise Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady. And today, guys, we are going to discuss house hacking. What is house hacking? Is it when somebody taps into Alexa and they're flicking your lights and turning your TV on and off and the lights and it looks like a scary movie? No, that's not what house hacking is. House hacking is a fancy term for owning a home and living with your tenants, aka roommates. Just to clarify, you either own the home or you just bought a home and you want some help with the monthly mortgage. So what are the benefits to that? What I just said, you want some help with the monthly mortgage, right? So let's take an example. So let's say you bought the house, you own the house, your monthly mortgage is $1,000 a month. Let's say it's a 3-bedroom. And you're like, you know what? I'm gonna rent out both rooms for $500 each. 500 plus 500 is 1,000. Therefore, your monthly mortgage that you actually pay out of pocket is $0. Yes, $0. So how does it benefit the tenant or the roommate? Well, they get to live where they want for less, for $500 to $700, because they weren't going to be able to find that space on their own living by themselves. So it's a win-win situation. Let's dive a little bit deeper. Just a tip that I probably would give. There's 2 ways that you can do the utilities. Sometimes people just will have a flat fee that the landlord will collect, $500, $700, whatever that fee is for the month. And then, the landlord will pay the utilities, and or the landlord will split the utilities with the tenant. So I would say do the latter as a landlord, because if all parties are responsible for that utility bill, then everybody will be conscious of where to keep the settings. So if you come home in the winter and the heat is on hell, that's because they're not paying the bill. So if you're all responsible for it, then I'm sure everybody will take into account making sure that that bill is doable and makes sense for everybody each month. Well, guys, I think that pretty much sums up house hacking. Yeah, remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the Agent Lady. Make it a great day.